If your internet is not working correctly on Windows 10, this built-in network reset option can fix many common problems. This method is official and provided by Microsoft. Only use it if other basic fixes did not work. First, right-click the Start button and open Settings. Go to Network and Internet. On the left side, click Status. Scroll down and select Network Reset. This option will remove and reinstall all network adapters on your computer. It will also reset Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and VPN settings back to default. Before continuing, make sure you know your Wi-Fi password. Click Reset Now and confirm. Your computer will restart automatically after a few minutes. Once the restart is complete, reconnect to your internet network. In many cases, this fixes issues like no internet access, limited connection, or network errors. If this video helped you, leave a comment and check the channel for more simple Windows fixes.